This is a quick video. Your form. We've talked about some of these beautiful form properties, such as the start position or the form border style, to really make your program look nice and non-manipulable. How do you change these properties in code? Because it doesn't happen often, but it's something to just be useful. It'd be useful to be aware of. So for example, if I clicked the submit button, how do I change all of these lovely form properties? And the one word answer is you use the word this. This refers to the form properties, all of these properties. So when you're writing code and you use this, this means, hey, I'm talking about this form, the form I'm working on. So you don't need the name of the form, you just use this. We've used it with splash screens before, I believe. So let's change one of these properties. You're really only going to end up changing like the background color or the background image. Those are too boring. Let's do a fun one. Let's do size. We've never changed the size before. The size property has a width and it has a height. So if I wanted to change the size of my form, well, this refers to the form. Dot size equals, and this is a little weird, but I want to show you a weird one because color is only so fun for so long. So when you're changing the size, you don't need to know this. I'm just showing you how to change form properties. You're going to say this size equals new size, and then what was my size? Well, my size has two numbers. It has a width and it has a height. So let's make it really small. Let's give it a width of 40 and a height of 40. So now you know how to change the size of something, although you don't really need to know that, but I thought, hey, why not? So submit, and then 40 by 40 is actually tremendously small. It's pretty much too small. I can only see my taskbar up there. Let's go 200 by 200 pixels. Submit, and then look at that. So this is a 200 by 200 form. I've changed the size of my form. So I threw a curveball at you with the whole changing the size, but all I need you to know that, hey, if you want to change any of these properties in code, you use the this keyword. That is important. That is something you need to remember.